In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Trello with Jira. We'll walk through connecting a Trello board to Jira using a power-up so updates can flow smoothly between the two tools. This is great for teams that plan in Trello but track engineering work in Jira, letting you keep both sides aligned without manual copy-paste. Start by opening your browser and going to Trello.com. Make sure you're in the right workspace for the project you want to connect. From the top navigation, click Boards to see your available boards. Choose the specific board you want to sync with Jira and open it. Picking the correct board up front keeps your integration targeted and avoids cluttering other projects. Inside your board, look toward the top right for the Power-Ups icon. Click that to open the Power-Ups panel. Next, select Add Power-Ups to open the Power-Ups Marketplace. This is where you can find integrations and enhancements for your board. In the Marketplace search bar, type Jira. You'll see several results, but the one we want is called Jira plus Trello two-way sync. Click that option. This power-up is designed to keep Trello cards and Jira issues in sync both ways. So when something changes in one system, it can reflect in the other. It's especially helpful for status updates, fields, and overall visibility across teams. Now click Add. If Trello displays a confirmation, click Add again to finalize. After a moment, the power-up will appear in your board's power-ups list, indicating it's active on this board. At this point, you may see on-screen prompts to authorize access, so the power-up can connect to your Jira site. That's normal. Review any permissions and follow your organization's policies. If you don't see the power-ups icon or can't add integrations, you might need workspace admin access or assistance from an admin to enable it. A few quick tips to ensure a smooth setup. Confirm you're adding the power-up to the exact board your team uses day to day. Search for Jira in the marketplace to find the integration quickly. And if your company uses a self-managed Jira instance, check compatibility and access settings before proceeding. For larger teams, coordinating with an admin can help standardize configuration across multiple boards. To recap, go to Trello.com, open boards, select your board, click the power-ups icon, choose Add Power-Ups, search for Jira, pick Jira plus Trello two-way sync, and click Add, confirming if prompted. With that in place, your Trello board is ready to work alongside Jira, keeping information consistent across both platforms and helping your team stay aligned and efficient.